Hello friends, welcome to Triction channel. Today we are going to see a notification in ONGC. So this is a requirement 2020. So this is an online mode and it is all in the level. So it means there are many vacancies available in this ONGC. So this is a IT apprentice course and the qualification is needed for this course will be ITA diploma a degree. So they can apply for uh, this course. So here there is a no exam. There will not be no exam or no fees. It means so those who are apply for this course in the ONGC, so they will call for only verification. When you applied for this course, afterwards they will be calling for in the document verification. So it means there is no exam, no fees. Last date of this applying for this course will be 17 July 2020. So already it is started. So last date is 17 July. So in this vacancy there are many work centers is there. So in this ONGC there are 21 work centers is there. So they are divided like a northern sector, Mumbai sector, western, eastern, southern, central. So in this way they are divided. So now we will be see the brief discussion on the notifications. So you can see this is a notification in the ONGC. So this is they are given the notification. There is advertisement number will be they are given and the date of notification already released on 29 July 2020. So last date for receipt of this application will be 17 August 2020. So this is the engagement of apprentices post in 1961. So you can see this is a they are given the apprentices at the location center they are given. There is a 21 work centers they are given. Okay, then afterwards they are given the location and tentative number of seats they are given. So this is a location and tentative number of seats they are given. So afterwards they will be increasing and decreasing and depend upon the ONGs. So the candidates to choose can apply for one trade at one works in the location only. So the candidates have to select for this ONGC. So so there are 21 there is 25 trade is there. So candidates have to apply for this only one trade at one workstation. There is only location only. So you can see this is the Natha sector they are given. So Natha center, the work center will be Dehradun. So in the you can see in the Dehradun there is a 9 courses. There is a accountant. There will be accountant. The number of seats will be 20. Assistant lecturer will be 20. The secretary assistant IT will be 20. So in this way they are given the number of seats also. The next one we will be see there is a Delhi ONGC. There is a posting will be 1 to 6. And accountant will be 4 and assistant HR will be 4. Computer operator, program assistant will be 2. In this way they are given for the Delhi also Jodhpur. In this way you can see the northern sector. So in the northern sector there is a total vacancy will be 228. So 228 vacancies there. Next will be Mumbai sector. When we are coming under the Mumbai sector, so you can see the work center is Mumbai, and the trade will be there is a trade they are given 16 trade they are given. Accountant, assistant, HR. There is a vacancy of 113, and the computer operator and program assistant will be COPA. There is 86. So electrician, DOSME, electronics, mechanics, information and communication technology systems. In this way, they are given the trade also. So in the Mumbai work center, there is a vacancy of 478. Next one, Goa, there is a vacancy 16, and Hazira, there is a vacancy 168. So in this way they are given. So Uran, there is a vacancy, and coming to the western sector. So Mumbai sector, there is a total vacancy is 764, and the western sector there is a Cambay, there is a vacancy will be 132. So including the welder also, the mechanic diesel and fitter electronics mechanic. So next one, Vadodara, there is a vacancy will be 168. So this is regarding the Ankleshwar, there is a vacancy is 460, 463. Ahmedabad, there is a vacancy 465. And Mehsana, there is a vacancy is 351. So there is a western sector, there is a total vacancy is 1579. So when we come into the eastern sector, you can see Jorhat, there is a vacancy of 156. And Silga, there is a vacancy of 49. So Nazira and Siva Sagar, there is a vacancy 511. So there is a eastern sector total, there is a 716. So you can come into the southern sector, there is a Chennai, there is a vacancy of 72. There is a trade is accountant, assistant HR, electrician, electronics mechanic. So this is a next we are coming to the central sector. You can see the central sector, there is a vacancy of Agadala. So in this way, you can see the vacancies. So there is a central city, there is a vacancy of 221. So there is a 21 location work center is there. So you can, they are divided like western, eastern, southern, central, Mumbai. So in this way they are divided. So note they are given. So you can see the candidates undergo apprentices. They are to the it will be they are to be registered. The portal will be www.ongc.apprentices.ongc.co.in. In this place you have to register, and already it is open, that is 29 July, and till it will be last date will be 17th August 2020. So when before applying for this post, you have to check the eligibility properly. So they are given the eligibility criteria. Then you go for the reservation also. They before applying for this post, you have to check the reservation also. So this is the age criteria they are given. The minimum 18 years and the maximum age will be 24 years. Okay. Next one, congestion realization they are given. So upper age is relaxed by 5 years for the SC/ST candidates and 3 years for the OBC candidates. So this is regarding the reservation category. And if the candidates belong to PWPD categories, so it means they are coming under the disability categories. So the age relaxation they are given 10 years and up to 15 years for the SC and ST, and 13 years for the OBC candidates. Next one, qualification eligibility the criteria they given. So in this category, you can see there is a discipline of 25 discipline they are given. So this is the first one, accountant. So the qualification is requirement bachelor of degree, that is a BCom. So from a recognized any institute or university is needed. Second one, assistant human resource. So this is a bachelor degree graduation, BA or BBA for and it will be done from the government recognized institute or university. Next one you can see secretarial assistant, that is IT in trade, stenography, that is English and yes, secretarial practice is needed. Next one, computer operator and programming assistant. So the qualification is needed, IT in COPA trade. Next one, draftsman, electrician, electronic mechanic, fitter, instrument mechanic, information and communication technology, system maintenance, laboratory assistant, library assistant, machinist, mechanic, there is a motor vehicle, mechanic diesel, refrigeration, air condition mechanic, plumber, surveyor, welder. So computer science. In this way they are given. So this is the vacancy they are given. So in the you can see this is a qualification is needed from the civil, computer science, electronic, electrical, electronics and telecommunication, electronics, mechanical. So you can see diploma in the respective discipline of engineering from a government recognized university is needed. So you can see the serial number 1 to 19. So here you can see there is a 25 vacancies, 25 trade is there. The first one serial number 1 to 19. So there is a there is a trade apprentices vacancies. So the qualification is needed. ITI graduates. And the next one you can see there is a 20 to 25, there is a technician apprentices. So here you can see there is a two apprentices, trade apprentices and technician apprentice. Okay, technician apprentice, the qualification is needed diploma. So if any candidate is done the distance learning mode, yeah, part time is done. So if any candidate is done the ITA, yeah, graduates, yeah, diploma is done through the part time, yeah, distance learning, they will not be considered, will be cancelled. Okay, the duration of training they will be giving. So there is a training of 12 months for all the categories. But the only thing, the library assistant, there is a training period is only 6 months. So here they are given the stipend. So the apprentices are eligible for monthly stipend. They will be getting the monthly stipend at a time to time they will be getting. Okay, for example, if the trainee is not eligible for it, any TA, they will not be provide any TA traveling allowance here, DNS allowance. They will not be, they will not be give. Okay, you have to spend your own expenses. Okay, then afterwards, for example, any transportation charge they will not be provided. You have to pay your own money. Okay, this is the regarding this event. Next one, you can see the selection. Mm, Selection of engagement apprentices would be based on the basis of marks and merit down. Okay, they will be considered they will be called for the documentation verification using the marks. Basis of the marks. In case a similar number of merit, a person with higher age would be considered. For example, both the candidates are the same merit, so it will be considered the higher age will be qualified. So no, next one you can see general conditions they are given. You have to, before applying for this post, you have to see the notification, you have to read the advertisement, you have to see properly. Next one they have given the, okay, next one they are given, the candidates are to apply for only one trade they are to apply. For example, they are given 25 trade. Candidates are to apply for only one trade. If the candidates apply for more than one trade, they will not be considered, their application will be cancelled. The application will be rejected. Okay, further only one mobile number and an email ID can be used for applying. For example, I am applying for this post, so I have to use my mobile number and my own email ID, right? For this email ID will not be used by my friend who is applying for this post. Okay, so there is a notice they are given, notification, and the candidates with the qualification, the candidates have the qualification like ITA or degree or diploma, but if they are done from the distance learning mode or part-time, so it will not be considered, it will be cancelled. So the application will be rejected. So this is a general restriction they are given, go through once. Okay, so application registration which is incomplete. For example, the application is incomplete and it will be, it will be rejected. So for you have to fill the application completely. You have to fill the application. Next one, you can see a requirement before filling online application force. So before applying online application force, what you have to do? First, you have to register the online portal. So they are given the two portal. The first one trade apprentices, second one technician apprentice. For the trade apprentices, they are given the portals. You have to apply for this first, and the technician apprentices they will start from 20 to 25. So they have to apply from this first. So you have to apply from this first. There is this portal. That is portal on MHRDA. So in this way, you have to apply this portal. Next one, after successful registration with the above agencies, for example, I am applied for this trade apprentices. Then what you have to do, you will be getting the registration number will be generated. So I am getting the registration numbers. We have to secure your registration number. So with the helping of this registration number, you have to apply for the force. So this is a website in India given www.ongcapprentices.ongc.co.in. Okay, next one they are given. So the candidate must have an IT email ID. You have to keep your email ID valid will be up to at least 1 year. So IT will be email ID will be valid, will be email ID and mobile number which must have a valid for at least next 1 year. It should be valid, so they can be communicated with the email ID. Yeah, SMS alert they will be communicating, and all the notification you will be getting through the ONGC. That is a website portal we will be getting. So the other things you have to do, the scan copy have to be ready before applying for the post. That is a size to be 20 to 50 KB in the JPG format. And the second thing, you have to signature in black ink. That will be size between 10 to 30 KB in JPG format you have to see. So you're ready before applying for this post. So before applying for this post, you have to be ready. There is a scan copy the color photograph and scan copy of the signature should be ready. So the candidate must ascertain the correctness of all the information before. So you should be correct, and when you are applying for this post, you have to final submission. You have to check your application properly. Okay, the candidate shall be responsible for the information provided in his own application form. So after successful completion of this application form, what you have to do? Just to take the printout for the future reference, you have to take the printout. So how to apply for this post? You have to go to the job website, that is ONGC. So then after it will be already started. Last date will be 17 July 17th August 2020. So the paper-based application will not be accepted. You have to go through by only online application will be accepted. So what you do, just to go to the website portal, you will get the online application. You have to just click on that. You can apply that through this online mode only. In the second step, there are two steps for registration process, the part one and to part two. In the part one, you have to, the basis like name category will be there, and you have to create own password. So you have to remember your own password. And after successful part one registration system, so generated a registration number is sent in this register email ID. So you will be getting the register number you will be getting. Be using the SMS or email ID you will be getting. So with this registration number, you have to again log in into this system. Then afterwards, you have to upload your scanned copy, photograph, and signature. In this way, you have to upload. Okay, part restriction can do applied. Scan photograph, signature you have to be applied, and in this place you have to mention your education qualification, experience. You have to mention. Next one, joining and verification of documents. So the verification of original documents shall be done prior to the joining in. For example, when I am applying for this post, they will be calling for the merit basis. So depending upon the marks. So then afterwards, they will be calling for the verification of the original documents. They will be calling. They will be giving the specific date. So in that time, you have to be present. An application will be generated once there. For example, if I am selecting for this post, okay, after the merit marks, so you have to be getting the one generated. You will be getting the registration form. You will be getting. So you have to be take the printout. When you go for the verification of the documents, you have to carry that documents. Okay, you have to download this verification. You have to download this registration form through the website. So list of documents you have to carry, originals to be brought for the verification for the selected candidates. Okay, this is the important dates they are given. So already it is started 29 July 2020, and the last date of receive application will be 17th August 2020. So data result selection they are given 24th August 2020. I received confirmation from the candidates that will be 24th August 2020, 1st September to 1st September 2020. So this is a important dates they are given. So before applying for this post, you have to go through and read the notification properly. So after seeing my video, please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.